Welcome to Boards and Bottle. My name is Kristen and today I'm going to show you how to make your own fall-themed framed wood sign. What you'll need. First, stop by your local Home Depot and select a Redwood B-grade heartboard, 5/8 by 5 3/8 by 8 feet, and a 1/4 inch thick plywood sheet. These are often sold in 2x2 or 2x4 foot sizes. You'll also need the appropriate tools and safety gear, including miter and table saw, hand sander, and brad nail gun. Please be sure to always wear the appropriate safety gear, like masks, protective eyewear, and earmuffs when working with tools. Let's get started. Cut your plywood down to 14 by 20 using your table saw. Use 220 Grit Sandpaper to eliminate any surface roughness. This helps for better paint adhesion. Now you're ready to paint your background color. Be creative. For this project, we will be using a white acrylic paint. As this is drying, let's cut down our beautiful redwood piece for framing using the miter saw. Turn your blade to 45 degrees for that nice angle frame. Measure, mark, and cut all of your framing pieces. To showcase the redwood's gorgeous natural patina, we will be staining these framed pieces. Make sure to wear gloves to protect skin and clothing. Attach your frame to your now dry background board with your brad nailer. To create a rustic farmhouse finish on the frame pieces, we sanded with 220 grit again after staining. Now you're ready to add your design. We cut our design using our US cutter. A Cricut cutting machine is a great common tool for creating your own design as well. Use transfer tape to apply your design to your background board. Gently peel back the sticky side of the transfer tape, smooth out and apply over your vinyl stencil design. Remove from backing and place on board. Smooth again and remove the transfer tape, leaving your design on the background and ready to paint. Using acrylic paint and a foam brush, lightly fill in your stencil. Be creative in this process as well. Choose a color that speaks to you and expresses your personality. We chose traditional farmhouse neutrals to provide a lovely contrast against the natural warmth and beauty of the redwood. Once dry, you're ready to remove your stencil and apply your protective varnish. There are many options when it comes to protecting your board. Make sure to select a top coat that is best suited to where you will be displaying your board. For example, indoor-outdoor, as well as spray-on or paint-on application. We chose a spray-on application with a matte finish to accentuate the fine characteristics and natural grain of the wood. Make sure to work in a properly ventilated area, wear a mask, and remember to protect all surrounding surfaces. Apply and let your top coat set. Thanks for joining us today and making your own redwood framed sign. We hope you enjoyed creating something you can look back on and feel proud of each season. We look forward to serving you best in the future for more projects with Mendocino Forest products. Cheers!